Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Oberlo or other dropshipping apps with Shopify to automate your store and start selling products without holding inventory. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a dropshipping app first. Log into your Shopify dashboard. Click on Apps from the left-hand menu, then select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Oberlo or any other dropshipping app like Spocket, Zendrop, or Dsers. Click on the app, then click Add App and follow the installation process. Step 2. Connect the app to your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, open it and follow the setup instructions. You may need to create an account with Oberlo or the chosen app. After that, link the app to your Shopify store to start importing products. Step 3. Find and import products inside the dropshipping app. Browse or search for products to sell. Look for trending products, check supplier ratings, and analyze shipping times. Once you find a product, click Add to Import List. Then, go to your import list, edit product details like title, description, and pricing, and click Import to Store. Step 4. Set up pricing and shipping. Go to Shopify's Products section and review your imported items. Adjust the pricing to ensure profitability, and set shipping preferences based on the supplier's options. If using Oberlo, you can automate price markups under the Settings tab. Step 5. Start selling and automate order fulfillment. Once your products are ready, promote them using Shopify's built-in marketing tools or social media ads. When a customer places an order, go to your dropshipping app, review the order, and click Fulfill Order. The supplier will then handle shipping, and you can track the status inside Shopify. Outro. And that's it. You now know how to use Oberlo or other dropshipping apps with Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.